And what is your name, place name? Where's the name?
You are the luckiest girl alive.
Hey y'all, thank you for choosing today's video. I'm going to be installing this 20-inch DEEPWAVE frontal wig, and I decided that I wasn't going to wear it that long, so I did the glueless method by using hairspray. So I sectioned it off into 4 parts, and then I went ahead and sprayed each section individually. And I'm pushing all of the hair back, making sure that I'm getting all of the spray on the lace. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer to, speed up the process. I did have it on the cool setting, and I'm going in and I'm cutting that lace just in that area that we worked on. I'm taking my baby hair out before I wrap it, just so the hair doesn't get hard from the hairspray, and then it's kind of like just pushed up and it's harder to lay. So I'm doing that before, and I decided to go with the middle part. I wasn't exactly sure when I was laying the baby hair, but it really didn't matter because it was a middle part. And excuse my neighbors if you can hear them. I hope you cannot, but if you can, that's super crazy. That means y'all are super loud. But I took some powder foundation, put it on top, and I just got back into using mousse. It used to really break me out, but I switched, and hopefully this one is better. I haven't used mousse in like a year to do my baby hair, but I really loved the look of it, so I decided to try it out today because I do have curly hair and I'll be using the mousse on the hair anyways. So I just wrapped it, and now I'm making sure my part is in the center, and then I'm going back in and flatten it. I do have a video on how I customized this wig, so if you want to see that, I will definitely have it in the description box. It's pretty easy to follow, and it's a very simple process. Now I'm going in and defining the curls. I wore this wig for 4 days. I know I planned on wearing it for like a day or 2. I wore it for 4, and I will say that this hair actually is better without product on it, but I didn't know any better, so I did put that mousse that I was talking about earlier on the hair. And as you saw, I did cut it because I did not like the length that it was giving. Okay, so this is the hair after it is like 85% dry. I think it's really cute. I really didn't care too much on the baby hair because I was doing the middle part, but I really like it. I love the curls on this wig. Like, I really missed curls. I've been wearing straight hair for some time now, so but yes, it's really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely do the glueless method because it's super easy and it's not time consuming at all. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.